Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to post more than 10 pictures on Instagram, right? So is that possible? Yep, in some cases. So just open your Instagram here. Now if you want to post more than 10 pictures, you have to go to your plus icon here, and once you go here you can just go and click on select multiples. Of course here I have only one photo, but I will just add 10 photos more here, right? And once you do this, now if you just go and click on select multiple, you can select more than this is 4 pictures, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here this is 10, 11, 12, right? So I right now have 12 images, and of course once you selected 12, you can just go to the next here, and you can just automatically upload more than 10 images, of course, because earlier you can only upload 9, but now you can just upload more. You can add music and everything, and once everything is done, just go and click on next here, and it will load for a few seconds, and click on OK. If you want to change something, add caption, you can do this, right? And here I will just go and click on share. Now once everything is done here, you can see it's finishing up, so we'll just go to the profile icon here, and let's wait till it get uploaded. Now it has been uploaded. 2 photos, 3 photos, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? The 12 photos we have right now. So this is really easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.